Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators. Looking to boost your education career? Whether you are a teacher, professor, trainer, or consultant, a powerful LinkedIn profile is essential for networking, career advancement, and discovering new opportunities. In this video, we'll show you how to build that profile and optimize it using free AI tools like carousels.com. We'll cover everything from initial setup to effective profile management, including secret LinkedIn hacks to maximize your engagement. Don't skip ahead, these tips are game changers. Stick around until the end for all the insights. Let's get started, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Step 1. How to create a LinkedIn profile. Whether you are new to LinkedIn or just need a refresher, I'll guide you step by step. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.linkedin.com. This is the official LinkedIn website where you can sign up or log in if you already have an account. If you are signing up for the first time, you'll see a form asking for basic details, your email or phone number, full name, and a password. Let's go through each field together. Now, enter your details carefully. Email or phone number, use an email you check regularly, so you don't miss important notifications. Full name, enter your first and last name as you'd like them to appear. Avoid nicknames, keep it professional. Password, create a strong password with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it's unique and secure. Once you've filled everything in, read LinkedIn's user agreement and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box and click Continue or Join Now. And just like that, your sign-up process begins. Now, check your email or phone messages for a verification code from LinkedIn. It should arrive in a few moments. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. Enter the verification code on LinkedIn's website to confirm your account. And that's it, you are officially on LinkedIn. Congratulations, educators! You now have a LinkedIn profile. In the next step, we'll optimize your profile to stand out and attract the right connections. So, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Step 2. Introduction. 2. www.aicarousels.com. Ready to supercharge your LinkedIn presence? This video introduces aicarousels.com, a fantastic tool that simplifies LinkedIn profile optimization. If you are looking to make your profile shine, this is a must-watch. We'll walk you through its key features. aicarousels.com uses AI to help you create compelling LinkedIn carousels, improve your profile, and boost engagement. For educators, this translates to effortlessly showcasing your expertise, sharing valuable insights, and expanding your professional network. Step 3. LinkedIn Profile Picture Frame Generator. First up, the LinkedIn Profile Picture Frame Generator. This tool lets you add a professional and eye-catching frame to your profile picture, making your profile stand out instantly. The LinkedIn Profile Picture Frame Generator offers a simple yet powerful way to enhance your image and make a lasting first impression. This tool allows you to easily add a professional frame to your existing photo, drawing attention and making your profile more memorable. The user-friendly process involves uploading your picture, selecting from a variety of frame options, potentially including industry-specific designs, company branding, or general professional styles, and downloading the framed image. In just minutes, you can create a polished and distinctive profile picture, ready to upload to LinkedIn and help you stand out from the crowd. Step 4. LinkedIn Banner Maker. Next, we have the LinkedIn Banner Maker. A strong LinkedIn profile needs more than just a great photo, it needs a compelling visual presence. Your banner image is prime digital real estate, the first thing visitors see after your picture, and a powerful tool for showcasing your professional brand. The LinkedIn Banner Maker makes creating a professional and eye-catching banner easy. Start with a pre-designed template, then customize it to reflect your unique skills and experience. Add text that highlights your tagline, a current project, or your area of expertise. Choose colors that align with your personal brand or company guidelines for a consistent and polished look. Finally, add a relevant image, perhaps a professional headshot, an abstract design representing your industry, or your company logo. The result? A polished and professional banner that enhances your profile's visual appeal, reinforces your brand, and helps you make a memorable first impression. A strong banner enhances your profile's visual appeal and branding. Choose a template, customize the text, colors, and images, and download your perfect LinkedIn banner. Step 5. LinkedIn Headline Generator. Struggling with your LinkedIn headline? The LinkedIn Headline Generator simplifies this process, using AI to create compelling options. Just enter your role, industry, and keywords, and the tool generates a variety of suggestions. These are designed to be attention-grabbing and keyword-optimized, boosting your visibility and attracting the right connections. Whether you prefer a concise, direct approach or a more creative description, the generator provides a valuable foundation, allowing you to refine and personalize the results to perfectly capture your professional identity. Step 6. LinkedIn Summary Generator. Your LinkedIn summary is your professional introduction, a chance to tell your story and highlight your unique value. It's more than a resume recap, it's where you showcase your passion, expertise, and aspirations. Crafting a compelling summary can be challenging, but the LinkedIn Summary Generator simplifies the process. In seconds, it creates a polished, keyword-rich draft. Just input your experience, skills, and goals, and the AI-powered tool generates a tailored summary. This draft provides a strong foundation, incorporating relevant keywords to improve your search visibility. While it's a great starting point, personalize it with your unique voice and perspective. The LinkedIn. Step 7. LinkedIn Post Generator. Consistent, engaging content is key to LinkedIn success, but creating compelling posts can be a challenge. The LinkedIn Post Generator simplifies this, empowering you to create impactful content effortlessly. Whether you are announcing news, sharing updates, inspiring your network, or sparking discussion, this tool can help. Just input your topic or message, and the AI-powered generator will suggest various post options. These suggestions offer different angles, tones, and formats, saving you time and overcoming writer's block. With the LinkedIn Post Generator, you can maintain a consistent posting schedule, engage your audience, and maximize your LinkedIn impact. Step 8. LinkedIn Quote Card Generator. Want to share inspiring quotes on LinkedIn? Text-only posts can easily get lost in the shuffle. The LinkedIn Quote Card Generator offers a stylish solution. Create visually appealing graphics that grab attention and spark conversation. Simply type your quote, choose a design from various templates, featuring different fonts, colors, and layouts, and customize it to match your brand. These eye-catching quote cards boost engagement, increase shareability, and amplify your message. Effortlessly share inspiration in a polished, professional way, enhancing your LinkedIn presence and growing your network. Step 9. LinkedIn Cheat Sheet Generator. Keeping up with LinkedIn's ever-changing landscape can be a challenge, especially for busy educators. The LinkedIn Cheat Sheet Generator is a valuable tool for maximizing your presence without the time commitment. It provides bite-sized, actionable tips and strategies tailored to your profile and industry. Instead of researching countless articles, you get a concise, customized cheat sheet packed with relevant information. Whether you want to improve your profile's visibility, enhance your networking, or create engaging content, this tool offers practical guidance. It's a must-have for educators looking to leverage LinkedIn effectively, build their network, and showcase their expertise without feeling overwhelmed. Consider it your personalized LinkedIn coach, providing quick wins and actionable advice to help you achieve your professional goals. Boost your LinkedIn profile with aicarousels.com. This tool makes it easy for educators to share insights, network, and build their brand. Follow the steps outlined to create your LinkedIn profile using aicarousels.com and connect with us. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more professional growth tips. See you in the next video.